What's up, guys? Today I got my BMW SSR Performance dual cone cold air intakes. So I'm gonna unbox these things.
I actually like it better than black.
Cuando la cámara va
Sorry. Está bien.
It's pretty weird stuff that they do.
When I bought the intakes online, it said it added 30 horsepower, but like, to be honest with you, it's kind of hard to even feel a difference. These intakes are essentially like hot air intakes because in order for them to be cold air intakes, I would have to reroute them to my front grills because as of right now, they're sucking up engine air, which is really hot. So they sound super cool when you drive and just more for cosmetics, more than horsepower, and it looks really good in your engine bay. Realistically speaking, the intakes probably add around like 10 horsepower if you were to dyno it, but like I said, it's kind of hard to even feel a difference. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.